Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 39 Orana Drive in Morphett Vale. I've got a fantastic home for you. Fully renovated, brand new bathrooms, brand new kitchen, beautiful polished floorboards, a huge 715 square metres of land, securely fenced and beautifully done. It ticks all the boxes for our first home buyers and our investors and you're really going to love it. Why don't we go inside and check it all out. So there you have it. This one is absolutely stunning inside. You've got beautiful light-filled rooms, this gorgeous kitchen, and the flow out to the yard, which is nice and big and flat and spacious, is absolutely perfect. This one is really going to suit those first home buyers. It's absolutely ready to go. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see you at an open soon.